Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download cash flow projections using Stessa for rental portfolios, complete guide step by step clearly. To download cash flow projections using Stessa for your rental portfolio, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Stessa website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Reports tab in the menu. Click on the Reports tab to reveal additional options. In the Reports section, find the option labeled Cash Flow Projection. Select the Cash Flow Projection option to open the report settings. You can customize the date range for your projections by adjusting the fields provided. Choose the desired start date and end date for the cash flow projection. If needed, adjust any additional filters to narrow down your data. After setting your preferences, click on the Generate Report button. Wait a moment while Stessa compiles your cash flow projection report. Once the report is ready, you will see a summary displayed on your screen. To download the report, locate the download icon or button. Click on the download icon to save the report to your device. Select the preferred file format if prompted, such as CSV or PDF. Confirm your download and wait for the file to save to your computer. After downloading, navigate to the location where the file is saved. Open the file to review your cash flow projections. Ensure all data is accurate and meets your expectations. If you need to adjust any settings, return to the cash flow projection report and repeat the process. Now you have successfully downloaded your cash flow projections using Stessa for your rental portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.